TV. Love 3X. Love, love, love. Yeah, thank you guys.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to unbox the hair dryer that I buy or bought at the Fortress Hong Kong, but I didn't yet open, and I am here at one of the hotel here in Manila, which is my quarantine facility. The name of the hotel is Shangri-La. So this time we will open or unbox the hair dryer, which is I buy at Fortress. The cost of this hair dryer is 150 Hong Kong dollars, so more or less 1,000 Philippine money. So we will open unbox this, and then the name of this hair dryer is Panasonic. So Panasonic, it says hair dryer Ionity, quick dry nozzle, internal negative ion outlet, beautifully glossy hair, quick and gentle drying, with quick dry nozzle and ionic care. This is 1200 watts. So yeah, it says here beautifully glossy hair, quick gentle drying with quick dry nozzle and ionic care. So yeah, it's ionic care. The combination of a strong and soft airflows from quick dry nozzle spreads hair evenly for uniform drying. Wow, very good. So the internal negative ion outlets effectively directs negative ions towards hair. So this is it. So it has selectable temperatures and airflow settings, 2 hots and 1 cold according to your preference. And this is foldable handle. Yeah, this one. It has a foldable. Yeah, this one, and then this one, and this one, and this one. So we will unbox now. It's my first time to open here. I didn't yet open this. I don't know how to open. Oh, very different. How do you do it? Here. No. Here. I don't want to broke. I don't want to broke the box. Okay, there you go. Good. Oh, thank you. Good. Wow. Oh, so this is the warranty products. The warranty products. And then we will open. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, so it's quite a little bit small. Okay. Wow, very nice. It has 2 hots and 1 cold. Okay. Very nice. And yeah, this is the 3 terminals that we have. And I like the wire. It's look like very durable. So we will try if this hair dryer is work pretty well. Yes, to tell you, I buy this hair dryer at Hong Kong, and it's my first time to unbox with this. So we will try over here. We will try there because it has no outlet in this area, so we will transfer. Let me do this. Yes, it's worked out. It's worked out. I like it has three levels of choices. It has number 1, and then number 2 and number 3. So yeah, it's worked pretty well. I like it. And it's not really noisy. It's not really noisy, and I love it. I guess my hair would love this. The hot, it gives an entire of your hair dry very quickly. Love it. Yeah, even at night when I come back at my home, I can shower or wet my hair, something like that. Love it. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is MK Show TV. Love 3X. Love, love, love. Yeah, thank you guys.